welcome to Goldwagen Polokwane. My name is Douglas Caldwell and I am the branch manager at Goldwagen. We've been here for the past 3 years and I would like to take you in and show you around. Come with me. Okay, so right here we have the front of our store where we welcome all our customers. We always treat our customers with a friendly smile, with a good welcome, and try to assist them to the best of our abilities to supply them with whatever they need. We have our sales department over here, and over here we have our pay point station and then our collection station. We've got a couple of rural areas around Polokwane, and the closest branch from here is either going to be Mokopane or Tsenin. But I know the border to Zimbabwe is close by. We've got customers in Zimbabwe that come over the border that come to us. And then right over here, this is our cashier station, our pay point, where all the customers come and pay. Telesales department, where all our customers phone in. Over here, we have our picking station, where all the invoices get printed from the pay points that come through to our pickers.
My name is Frey. I'm a sales executive for Goldwagen Polokwane. There's quite a lot of customers coming with problems on suspension relating to shocks, even brakes, suspension control arms, all of those kind of stuff. We do live in South Africa, we live in Polokwane, we have a lot of potholes. People hit the potholes, one shock can damage, or maybe the shock wear out after time. We can sell individual shock absorbers, and if you get an uncle with a Hilux living on a farm, he can come to us. We will be able to assist him with the Bilstein suspension kits, which is all over shocks, shock rubbers, coil springs, all of those kinds of stuff to just make the bakkie look bakkie-like.
I would like to say thank you so very much for coming to Goldwagen Polokwane, and I would like to welcome every customer going through Polokwane to make a stop here by us. If there's anything that you need, brake pads, discs, service kits, suspension parts, you are more than welcome. Friendly face, good service, everybody has a smile. Come in and see for yourself.